How are you? I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School, and this school situated in Gola Bazar. On last day we have learned many topics, and our chapter was addition and subtraction of bigger numbers. And in this topic we have learned adding 2-digit numbers, and the subtopics were adding without regrouping and adding with regrouping, adding 3-digit numbers, and after that we have learned subtracting bigger numbers, and after that we have learned the story sums also. Today's our topic is mental math related to addition and subtraction of bigger numbers. Okay, so you have to come on this, you have to open this, and you have to solve. How you will solve? Let's see how you can solve it. Let's see. 3 is added to 200. 3 is added to 200. Find the numbers you get when. Find the number you get when. You have to get and find the number that is given. 3 is added to 200. That means you have to add 3 in 200. 200 plus 3, that is 203. Okay. Now 3 is added to 200, 203. Second, 13 is added to 732. 13 is added to 732. So you have to add 13 in 732. 2, 3, 5, 3, 1, 4 and 7, 745. There will be 745. In first there will be 203. In second there will be 745. 8 is subtracted from 108. 8 is subtracted from 108. So hence we have to subtract 8 from 108. 8 minus 0, 0, and 0 and 1. That is 100. 100. So there will be 100. Okay. Question 4. 8 is subtracted from 148. 8 is subtracted from 148. So we have to subtract 8 from 148. 8 minus 8 equals 0, 4 and 1. That is 140. Okay. So 8 is subtracted 148. That is 140. And question number 5. 9 is added to 100. 9 is added to 100. So 100 plus 9, that is 0 plus 9 equal 9. And 109. Okay. 9 is added to 100. That is 109. Question 6. 16 is added to 200. 16 is added to 200. So we have to add 216. 6, 1, 2. 216. Okay. There will be 216. Question number 7. 735 is removed from 755. 735 is removed from 755. So you have to subtract 735 from 735. Because 735 is smaller, so we have to subtract 735 from 755. 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 7, 0. That is 20. So there is 20. And after that 39 is removed from 499. 39 is removed from 499. That means you have to subtract 39 from 499. 39 is removed from 499. That means you have to subtract 439 from 499. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 3, 6 and 4. That is 460. That is 460. 101 is taken away from 911. 101 is taken away from 911. That means you have to subtract 101 from 911. That means you have to subtract 101 from 911. 1 minus 1, 0. And there will be 1. 9 minus 1, 8. That is 810. That is 810. So there will be 810. And after that question number 30. 30 is question number 10. 30 is removed from 750. 30 is removed from 750. So you have to subtract 30 from 750. There will be 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 3, 2, 7, 720. That is 720. 30 is removed from 750. That is 720. Once again you have to listen it. 3 is added to 200. 200 plus 3 equal 203. Second, 13 is added to 732. 13 is added to 732, that is 745, because 732 plus 13 equals 745. Question 3, 8 is subtracted from 108. So 108 minus 8 equal 100. Question number 4, 8 is subtracted from 148. So 148 minus 8 equal 140. And after that, question number 5, 9 is added to 100. That means 100 plus 9 equal 109. And after that, question number 6, 16 is added to 200. 16 is added to 200. So 200 plus 16 equal 216. And after that, question number 7, 735 is removed from 755. 735 is removed from 755 means you have to subtract 735 from 755. That means 755 minus 735, that is 20. Question number 8, 39 is removed from 499. 39 is removed from 499. So 499 minus 39 equal 460. Question number 9, 101 is taken away from 911. That means 101 is subtracted by 911. So 911 minus 101 equal 810. And after that, question number 10, 30 is removed from 750. 30 is removed from 750. That means you have to subtract 30 from 750. That is 720. Common question number B. The number in each box is the sum of two numbers in the circle. Fill in the box and the circle. Okay. Here you can say here that the sum of the two numbers in the circle. The sum of the two numbers in the circle is in the box. The number in each box, that means which number is in the box, that is sum of both the numbers that are in the circle. So 92 is given 65 plus 27, 65 plus 27, that is 572, 62819, that is 92. So there will be 92. And after that, on here there will be 65 plus 68. 65 plus 68, that is 5, 8, 13, 6, 6, 12, 130, 133. So there will be 133. 65 plus 68, that is 133. And after that, we have to add 27 and 94. 27 and 94 are in circle and we have to write in box. 27 plus 94, 7, 4, 11 ka 1 carry, 2, 9, 11, 11, 1, 12, 121. So 121. And after that, 68 plus 94. 68 plus 94, that is 8 minus 4 equal 4. And 9 minus 6, 14 minus 8. 14 minus, 68 plus 94. 8, 4, 8, 4, 12. 8, 4, 12 ka 2. 8, 4, 12 ka 2. 1 carry. 9, 6, 15, 116. 162. 162. Common question number 2. Firstly, you have to add 63 and 45. 63 plus 45. 63 plus 45. 358 and 6, 4, 10. 108. So that is 108. 358 and 6, 4, 10. 108. And after that, we have to add 63 and 75. 63 and 75. 358 and 6, 7, 13. 138. 138. And after that, we have to add 75 and 90. 75 and 90, there will be 9505 and 9716. 165. There will be 165. Question number 3. Question number 3. Circle, there is not any number of circle in circle. So we have to subtract 100 minus 75. There will be 100 minus 75, there will be 25. When we add 25 plus 75, there will be 100. 5 plus 5 equals 0 and 2, 7, 9, 1, 10. That is 100. 25. There will be 25. And after that, we have to add on both sides, on bottom side, 70 plus 64. 70 plus 64. 4 plus 0. 4 and 7, 6, 13. 134. 134. And after that, we have to add 75 and 64. 75 and 64. 5, 4, 9, 7, 6, 13. 139. In the box there will be 139. Question number 4. There is not any number given, so we have to subtract 120 from 190. there will be 70. Hence 70 plus 120 equal 190. So there will be 70. 70 plus 120 equal 190. And after that we have to add 70 plus 42. 70 plus 42, 0 plus 2, 2, 7, 4, 11, 112. There will be 112. 70 plus 42, that is 112. And after that we have to find on last digit, that is 104 minus 42. 104 minus 42. So there will be 104 minus 42, that is 62. That is 62. Because when we add 62 and 42, 42 and 62, 2 to 4 and 4, 6, 10. So there will be 104. Okay, so there will be 62. The last digit will be 62. And the next question number worksheet, there is worksheet given. Add or subtract, write the letters of the answer on the screen to solve the riddle. Add or subtract, write the letters of the answer on the screen to solve the riddle. That means you have to solve the riddles. And after that, so 9 minus 1 equal 8. 9 minus 1, 8, and 6 minus 2, 4. So that is 488 first. Question number 2. 8 minus 1, 7. 8 minus 2, 6. 4 minus 3, 1. And after that, question number C. 9 minus 1, 8. Sorry, that is addition. 9, 1, 10 का 0, 1 carry, and 4, 8, 12, 12, 1, 30. 130. Question number 4. 8, 3, 11. 1, 1 carry, 4, 7, 11, 1, 12. That is 121. And after that, we have to subtract 5 minus 2, 3, and 7 minus 1, 6, and 8 minus 3, 5. And after that, question number 6, 9 minus 2, 7, 6 minus 4, 2, and 8 minus 1, 7. And after that, we have what we have to do. When young, I am tall, yet short. When I am old, I get blown, but I am not bubble. When there is wind, I am trouble. When young, I am tall. मैंने जब यंग रहता हूँ तो मैं टॉल रहता हूँ, yet short मैं छोटा हो जाता हूँ. When I am old, जब मैं बूढ़ा होता हूँ. I get blown, मैं बूझ जाता हूँ, but I am not a bubble, लेकिन मैं बबल नहीं हूँ. When there's wind, जब विंड आती है तो I am in trouble, मैं परेशानी में पड़ जाता हूँ. What am I, मैं क्या हूँ. तो देखिए, here is for 130 the letter is C. For 130 the letter is C. You can see upper side. For 130 the letter is C, and for 121 the letter is A, and for 727 the letter is N, and for 428 the letter is G, and for 563 the letter is L, and for 167 the letter is E. So that is candle, C-A-N-D-L-E, candle, C-A-N-D-L-E. You have to write down 130, 120, 727, 488, 563, 167. Thank you. You have to do mental math exercise A for assignment, and you have to complete fair copy up to exercise 5.6.5 in fair copy. Thank you.